go here.
Good morning, guys, from lovely Koh Rong. Today we've decided to hire some scooters and go for a bit of a burn around the island and have a look and see what we can find. Let's go. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
We decided to head right and work our way around the island. The road was really well made and we enjoyed stopping for all the little puppy dogs.
If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive.
Eventually, we came across the first village. We checked the map and saw there was a waterfall not far and decided to go in search of that.
Here. Yep. You just got to pick your line. Just send it. Told ya. Oh.
Only after going through some gnarly track did we realise that this waterfall was a dead end.
Massive hill.
So we turned around and headed back to the top of the island. Not realising we would soon stumble upon a very special tradition.
Oh, look, there's something going on up here. Wow, look at all the people.
The monks are coming. The monks are coming.
So if you all know Yana, all she's wanted is a monk blessing her whole life. So we've just pulled up and we think that that's what they're waiting for, is for the monks to come past, but she's going to go and ask someone that speaks English to find out for sure. She's not quite too sure what to do here. I hope she gets a blessing that she's after. That's it, she's just plucked up the courage.
Chumben is a 15-day Buddhist festival that honours ancestors and the dead. Food and donations are collected by the monks, and the monks then chant and call out to the spirits of ancestors to receive these offerings. I didn't get the blessing, but the monk thanked me in English, and that was more than enough for me. So we headed off again.
So this is a little fishing village at the sort of about the middle part of the island. Oh, look at that, what a place to live. Lots and lots of construction. I wonder what they're actually doing here. Because it looks like they're just taking the rock from the mountain. Maybe they're just mining it. Bit of Minecraft going on.
A lot of the natural landscape had been knocked down, and we had many theories as to why. We would find out soon enough.
We've stumbled across the most beautiful beach. Look at that. Fantastic. So this is some kind of resort down here that we've just stumbled across. So let's go and have a look.
Look how clear the water is. Look at all the fish. Wow. That's a lot of fish. I really want to just jump straight into that. See what happens.
So whilst Luke was playing with his drone, he spotted something. So it was a quick fly back to us, land the drone, and set off on the bikes again, because we were keen to find another waterfall. This took us through Socksand Village, in a lesser known tourist spot, but with all the amenities you would need.
Yeah, so if you're staying around here, don't stress if you need to go places. There's like taxis, there's all sorts. Rent motorbikes. Away you go. Yeah, so plenty of taxis, plenty of motorbikes. This is a good spot. And even buggies. Not a bad little spot this, I don't think. I think it's to be a great place to stay. I'd love to stay here. Yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful spot. Oh, check out this bridge. Or maybe we can't go any further than this. Oh my lord. Off to a secret waterfall. After that truly epic ride, did you have fun on that?
Apart from the 3 times I thought I was going to die, it was all good.
It was actually pretty gnarly going up the hills. Yeah, let's go and find the waterfall. We can hear it. We can hear people in it. Maybe this will be one of those secret waterfalls like we found in Bali with the kids playing. Who knows? Yeah, crystal clear that water is. We've done it again. We found another hidden waterfall. But there's so many locals bathing in it, it's not funny. But the water, crystal clear. This is freaking epic. I love places like this, man. No entry fee, no bullshit. Just find the waterfall and enjoy it. These are the places that we try and find for you. Koh Rong Island, guys. This is Koh Rong Waterfall. And look at that fella getting smashed by that water. The water here is absolutely crystal clear. It's beautiful temperature. It's not freezing cold. It's just the perfect waterfall. Look how fantastic that is. So there's several levels with several different pools that you can sit in. That was spectacular. So this water must be drinkable because there are hundreds of these little pipes coming out of the waterfall. Pretty much they've just got a filter on the end, like a, you know, to stop rocks and stuff coming through, and away they go. They're just, gravity feeds the water down the mountain to the resorts. So it's obviously drinkable water. It's super fresh for us. Yeah, we didn't see an issue at all. Plenty got in my mouth. I doubt I'll get sick. I've definitely been in worse waterfalls in Indonesia. Definitely worse. This was beautiful and clean. Oh look, here's one of those filters. See? There's the pipe. And off it goes down the hill to the village. Wow, look at the pressure.
Stop.
You can see how much. Oh. So there's the pressure head there. It's to stop it from sending too much down. So, watch, ready? On, off. That's cool. The bridge again. Oh, this bridge is so much fun. Love it. Now that's stunning. Now this is a luxury spot. Ours is a luxury spot too, but this just is next level. This is your remote island kind of life. Amazing. Okay, so I know there's heaps of videos out there and they say that Koh Rong's really underdeveloped, the roads are terrible and all the rest of it, but that's changed. They've finished the roads. As you can see, they are beautiful concrete roads and the views are just absolutely stunning. It doesn't matter where you're riding on the island, there's something beautiful to see. We leave tomorrow and I actually don't want to. I'm actually really loving this island. It's just good to be able to relax. Because there's not a hell of a lot to do. You're kind of forced to relax, aren't you, Jessie?
Yeah.
So, yeah. We've had a really good time on this island. And yeah, all good things must come to an end eventually. So I'd say we will 100% be back. I'd say we'll come back and just go straight back to here. Or maybe we'll start visiting some new islands. I think islands might be our next thing. Maybe we start island hopping. Maybe Philippines. Lots of islands on the Philippines. And if they look like this, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, there's no traffic here, so if you are scared of driving your motorbike like in big Asian cities, this is a great place to do it. There's no traffic, there's no potholes. Great for driving, especially for beginners.
There's way too much.
Yeah, I agree. This would be a great place to learn how to ride. If you're not too sure. I mean, look at us. No one around. It's fantastic.
It was then we came across the reason for all that deforestation we had seen earlier. Just like Sihanoukville, Chinese investors have jumped onto Koh Rong Island too, with plans for an airport and major resorts. Personally, I think what makes Koh Rong special is the whole patchiness of it. The villages dotted around, the beaches with no one on them, the quiet tranquility of the island. Perhaps we'll come back one day and see how much it's changed. I just hope it's a change for the good. Well, what a perfect place to do it.
Abandoned Cambodia. So right here, I mean, look at that view. That is spectacular. And there's just this abandoned building here. Like it's been abandoned for years, but the substructure is actually in really good shape. And like I said to Yana, this would be somewhere you'd want to buy. Damn, they're all locked. Let's have a look, see if we can see in through the windows. Everything's all locked up. Oh look. There is a simple bed and that's it. Yeah, there's some beds there and that's it. There's a whole bottom section down there.
There's a big hornet there.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. And a dog. Oh. Hello puppy.
Right, in here. So we just found out this place is called the Red Hut. It was a shop, but if you look in here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's just beds everywhere in there. It's obviously locked, so we can't get in. But yeah, this was a shop. This could be quite easily converted into accommodation. Got the toilets, all still here, none of them are smashed. Looks like someone's been staying here maybe, washing themselves. Is there water? There is not. Kitchen. Absolutely beautiful in here. That's cool. So crystal clear, Bob.
Look, it goes,
Oh my god, look at that.
it goes from like super shallow
It's broken.
to hella deep.
Just a little bit broken.
Tad bit. Not too bad.
There you go. There's that abando.
Yeah, let's go to that house.
That abandoned building we found was not the only one. It seems along this stretch of road, there was one building after another left completely empty. Was this due to COVID, or have the investors bought everyone out? What do you think?
So many abandos. The prettiest cement station you've ever seen.
Hey, can I go into it?
Give it 5 years, this place is going to be pumping. This is definitely going to be like the next Bali. Oh my god.
You know what it'd be?
Oh my god, Jesse. Hold on. Oh.
Is that even mud?
Right, so this section is pretty underdeveloped. They don't have the proper road yet. But mate,
Even like a normal dirt road.
how much fun does this look, Jesse? Which way are we going to go?
Oh my god.
Around the outside.
Yep.
Although, no, there's a lot, everyone's going this way.
And just like that, we were back into Tourist Central.
Is that a supercar on the water?
It is!
Oh my god.
You have to swim out there and film it.
Ah, that's so cool. It's one of those other things. I will go out there and film that.
Oh, he's so happy. No. Oh, he's so soft.
Friends, friends,
So we just discovered this beach and you can take buggies for a drive, or you can take that buggy for a drive. How cool is that? That thing's sick. Okay, so all right, so we were going to send Jesse out on that. I've just gone and asked about the price and it's $400 US for 1 hour in it. We ain't rich. It ain't happening. Is this the way? I don't think it is. Oh my god! Trying to get back across to where I'm supposed to be.
I know.
Does it get better that way?
A little bit.
Oh, does it eventually meet up with the road?
You have to go 500 meters to 1 kilometer, then it comes to complete.
Yep, sweet. Oh! Oh! How's your butthole?
My butthole's fine.
Today, we have ridden around the entire island of Koh Rong and found the most magical stuff. And some bad roads too. But this place is just gorgeous. Since about 3:30 this morning, it has been absolutely bucketing down like this. Everything looks like it's starting to flood. But yeah, for about the last hour, it's been raining like this. Not gonna get much sleep tonight. How are we, buddy?
So we are officially checking out of our beautiful island resort hotel. And it's thunder and lightning and the weather is not great. So this is going to be fun. Come on, Luke, we have to go. No! Come on! Top tip. If you're travelling to Koh Rong Island and you get a ferry, make sure you confirm it at least one day before when you're leaving. Otherwise, if there's no one else travelling, you're not leaving.
Massive. Hey, mate.
He is huge.